Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage forward collision warning settings on your XPeng vehicle. So first, we're going to go over into the car. Now we're going to go to the driver assistance, and this is like our pilot. He will help us a lot. Here, what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and here we have it. We can turn it off, and basically, if we turn it off, then you will have no warnings, and it will basically it also provides some assisted braking so that it can brake for you. It is really important that you keep this on. Of course, it can have its flaws, but if you turn it off, as you guys can see, turning it off may result in the inability to provide early warning or automatic braking when there is a risk of collision. So I would recommend keeping it on. And also the sensitivity, I would recommend going for moderate, because low may be too low and high may be too high, and also it may just detect it randomly. We definitely don't want it. That's why we use the moderate one here. Of course, if you want to just go over, you can disable it. But as you guys can see here, you even have a video. This is how it will look like. And it will try to keep itself without the range of the vehicle. So there's a certain range that the car will go forward, but there's a range where it will just start helping you brake. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.